A refined dish with ancient roots and French elegance. Sturgeon is one of the oldest fish on Earth. Its form has remained almost unchanged for millions of years. When you grill it over charcoal and pair it with a silky French sauce, you get a flavor that feels both ancient and luxurious. Marinate the sturgeon, season with salt and pepper on both sides. Zest the lemon and add to the fish. Roll the lemon a little to squeeze out more juice. Squeeze the lemon juice onto the fish. Add olive oil. Spread the marinade evenly over the fish. Leave to marinate for 15–20 minutes, no more. Prepare the sauce by finely chopping the onion. Combine the onion, wine, saffron, bay leaf, thyme. Place over high heat and simmer for 5–7 minutes. Add the broth and simmer for another 5–7 minutes. Reduce the heat and add the cream. Heat over low heat for 1 minute. Do not boil. Add a little salt. Strain the sauce. Return the sauce to the saucepan. Add butter for creaminess and smoothness. Heat the sauce over low heat until the butter melts. Do not boil. Allow the sauce to cool slightly. Place the fish on a grill rack. Sprinkle rosemary sprigs on top. Grill over charcoal until golden brown on both sides, about 4–5 minutes per side. Do not overcook, as sturgeon cooks very quickly. Serve the sturgeon with the sauce, a slice of lemon, and salad.